All right, everybody, we have another video here at Drone Champs. I am your host, Kent Nairhus, owner, founder of Drone Champs. Today, we're going to check out a little bit of remote ID. That's right, it's here, it's finalized. We got to have it, whether we like it or not. So I'm working right here on my little green goblin. And here's my remote ID right here. It's a DroneTag BS. It connects right here with some power leads and a UART. And then RX and TX right there. So soldering it straight to the board. It's on Bluetooth. This one has an internal GPS. So I believe this one's GPS and this one is Bluetooth, one or the other. And then you connect it to the app, the DroneTag app, and then you can see how it's connecting to your phone, where you are and everything like that. Well, this little one right here, it is under 250, sub 250, so it does meet Category 1 requirements. So that means that, yes, you can fly this over people. Yes, believe it or not, you can fly it over people because I do have the ducks here. These are ducted. The lights help a lot. If I wanted to fly it at night, of course, I'd have to get the correct navigation lights with green and red, and then put a strobe light on top of it and all that. But yes, this little thing now allows it to be officially within Category 1, and we can fly over people. So again, this is what's here. This is what's now. We got to deal with it, but that's just the way it is with drones. That's the way it's going to be. So if you need any installation, be sure to check out Drone Champs. We are offering an installation special, so be sure to contact us about those repairs and we'll get it in for you. And we'll see you on the next flight.